So Samsung just dropped the Galaxy Z TriFold, and it's already turning heads as one of the coolest engineering flexes we've seen in years. But even with all that hype, the rumor mill is already shifting toward what's coming next. And that means the Galaxy Z Fold 8, a well-known tipster at crow_row, is hinting that Samsung isn't just doing its usual minor upgrades this time. The Fold 8 might get some real improvements, and it starts with the internal structure. Samsung is reportedly reorganizing the inside of the device so they can free up more space for hardware. And whenever Samsung starts talking about internal optimization, most of us think the same thing: a bigger battery. The TriFold hit 5,600 mAh thanks to its triple cell setup. Now, the Fold 8 probably won't get anywhere near that number, but rumors suggest Samsung might still increase capacity by around 300 mAh. That's not massive, but it's still a nice bump for a foldable. Charging speed looks like it'll stay at 45 watt, but there's a chance the Fold 8 will support Q2 wireless charging, which would be a great addition for the 2026 lineup. Samsung is also expected to refine the design even further. The Fold 7 already holds the title of the world's thinnest and lightest foldable, and it sounds like the Fold 8 will keep pushing that lead. On top of that, Samsung is apparently working on another Fold variant with a completely different shape. This one might have an 18:18 aspect ratio when opened, giving it a nearly square look. And the outer display, think credit card sized. It's definitely an interesting direction. So what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to get you excited for the Fold 8? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.